Okay. Hello students, as I promised that I will going to show you the Oersted experiment. So this is the apparatus we have. Okay, so this is a battery alimenter. So this simply works on the battery. Okay, so this battery is connected to the ammeter. Okay, you can see the ammeter here. I don't think yes, you can see here. Okay, this is the ammeter. There is a zero deflection, and this another end of the positive terminal is connected to a one pass key, and that key is connected to our battery. Okay, so that is a very simple experiment, that is very simple arrangement we have. Okay, now when we switch on our battery, you can see there is no current flowing in it because our key is closed now, open now, sorry. Okay, so when we have the open key, there is no current flowing in it. Okay, so now let us close this key. So we have a deflection in ammeter, you can see here. Okay, we have a deflection in ammeter. Okay, now let us see what we want to do. What we will do, we will be just taking the Oersted experiment. Okay, so we have this magnetic compass needle, okay, pointing in the north south direction. Okay, so this is placed on the table, and our experiment is going on there. Okay, our experiment setup is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this needle to near it. Okay, and then you will see what will happen to this needle. Okay, I am taking near to this, near. See here, the deflection occurs as soon as I take this compass needle near to the current carrying conductor F, and when I just take this away from this current carrying conductor, there is no deflection at all, isn't it? Let us do one more time. See. Now there is a deflection in it, almost 90 degrees, isn't it? Okay, so that is our first experiment, that whenever we take whenever we take a compass needle near a current carrying conductor, we will be having a deflection here. Okay, and similarly, if you increase the temperature, so increase the current in this circuit, the deflection also occurs. Okay, deflection also increases. Okay, as you can see, the deflection is here near, is a very small now, but if I change the potential, let us just switch off this battery and just switch off the apparatus. Now I have increased the potential to 2 volt to 4 volt. Okay, now let us see the current here. Current here is almost out of this box, 2.5. Okay, 2.5 से ज़्यादा current है. You can see here 2.5 amperes है. Now see the deflection here. See, it rotates itself, isn't it? So from this we can easily understand that when the current in the circuit increases, the deflection also increases. Okay, now there is one more thing. I have switched off the battery now. Okay, I have switched off the battery now. Okay, now I am going to do another experiment. I am coming closer to this, and see here, there is still some deflection here, but even though the current is zero, we still have some deflection. Okay, so that we will discuss in our tomorrow's class. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this experiment. So comment me what do you think about this experiment. Okay, so let us stop. Okay, and we'll meet you in the next class. Okay, so thank you very much, have a good day.